Dun dun.
Package. Did you just say package?
Yes, I said package. Give me a second.
Can I do it?
Yeah, give me a second.
Mama?
So I had bought these sticker papers, and it wasn't even for this. I was gonna actually order the actual label ones, but it's cure. So I'm just using these instead, but they work just as great. No, you need to put the light on.
I got it.
Look, Liam. So this is what you're gonna do.
I go do that.
I'm gonna put the sticker
On here.
right here.
Right here.
Okay. Press, press.
Boom! I think I said that.
Boom! Liam did the first package. Whoop, whoop. Hey y'all, so I'm looking super crazy right now, but I'm about to dye my hair. So today is Saturday. I shipped out all packages. I had 8 packages. They're all shipped out, so I'm super happy about that. And Mom Dukes is cooking. So we have some stewed chicken, some tostones, we got rice, acapuria, That's all for food, right? And then we got some Patron and the other stuff that's over there. I just want to pop in and kind of let you guys know what I'm doing right now. My cousin just went to Dunkin' Donuts real quick. My brother should be on his way home soon. And then some more family members gonna be coming later on. And one of my good friends. So today is gonna be a good day. I have on sassy lashes on right now. I went and I got my feet done today, y'all. My toes look so pretty now. It was much needed. But right now I'm just chilling. Until my mom finished cooking, and then I can. She's gonna dye my hair because I dyed her hair. She look crazy right now. But she's gonna dye my hair. And I'm not gonna tell y'all what color I'm going. Y'all just gonna have to wait and see. Hopefully it comes out how I want it to come out. But we shall see. So I'll check in with you guys later.
I like that style you just had.
I am red. I love it. It looks so good. My hair grew so much. Josh, you gonna take a shot with me? Alright, we're about to get some shots.
Hey, whoa. Ready? Toast.
Toast to Midas Beauty being a multi-million-dollar company. Hey. Woo! Huh? Who, me? No, because I wasn't done up yesterday when I took a shot. And I actually took a double shot yesterday. I took a double shot by myself. And I was not done up. I took a double shot and I was freaking doing orders. I was fulfilling orders yesterday. I took a double shot. And then I was doing orders. So, definitely not going to be drunk. Woo. It's actually really good. And then my brother got me some champagne. So we're gonna pop this later. Play Uno with the fam.
What is it? It's my turn?
I think so.
I'm out.
Ha! You lost.
Turn.
Who you playing with by yourself?
You can pick. Brad?
Damn, I lost.
She just asked for red. You should have paid attention.
And she didn't say
She
Uno.
changed the color.
She did say Uno.
You said red.
It's a Corona. You
She
said chicken
changed the
color.
color.
She
No.
said red.
No, right here you said red.
I thought I was the
She
tipsy one.
should have been paying attention.
Yeah, you should have been paying attention because she needed
I
red.
needed that red. I've been holding those two red cards forever.
I thought I was the tipsy one.
I'm not tipsy at all. No, you're a little bit beyond tipsy. You're correct.
That don't do anything.
No, what about the 2 shots?
What 2 shots?